Hi and welcome to S&L BB Guns. Today I'm doing my review on the HA109 spring powered airsoft pistol. Okay, let's see what you get in the box. Okay, as you can see you get around 100 6mm BBs. Yeah. This is the gun. Let's have a look at the gun. Okay. First of all, this gun is fairly heavy, about 1.5 pounds. It shoots at 0.4 joules, so probably about nearly 200 feet per second, so it's not that powerful. Safety. The safety is on at the moment, so when safety is on, it's down, and then the safety is off. Okay. Right here is the slide catcher. So when you quickly slide back and you've run out of ammo, it will just stay there. And you can just click the switch here and push it down, and the slide will be released. This is just molded into the gun. You can't do anything with it. Right here is the magazine release. So when you push that, the magazine gets released. Just make sure you have your hand underneath. Yes, to catch the magazine. Magazine. Where it holds about 15 BBs. I'd recommend using 0.12 gram BBs, because otherwise if you use heavier, the BBs will just drop down when you shoot it. So the spring is fairly easy to pull down. It's quite weighty. Yeah, so that's it really. I will be doing a shooting test on this gun, and I'll upload it to my channel as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you want to ask any questions, just put some comments on my videos and I'll have a look at those. And yeah, okay, thanks for watching. Bye.